Just wondering what you're using so for an antenna and radio.
Roger on that, Des. The name is Luis. You can call me Luis. Lima United India Sierra. The complete name is Jose Luis. And my working conditions is a Cobra 148 GTL with about 350 whiskeys on the back and a D104 static microphone, and I'm running a 3-element cubicle quad. My antenna is a 3-element homemade cubicle quad, about 15 meters from the ground, and that's all I got there, Das. Very, very nice, my friend. You too, making a beautiful trip. Blow smoke on my radio. You're gonna see on the video, your signal is over 9, 20 and 30 over 9. Back to you.
Okay, I think it's Louise. I'm not quite too sure. Hopefully I got your operator name correct, but you're just a wee bit fast for me, and not very good of the pronouncing the Mexican names. I do apologize, sir, but your homebrew 3-element quad is absolutely doing the job here. Running with a mic of 775. The antenna would be the Moonraker 4. We're up about 900 feet above sea level here, out here on the countryside, running about 1.5 kW. Over.
Yeah, Raj, on that, that's, well, nice gear. You got a very nice gear. Here is more simple. Just Cobra 148 and about 350 whiskeys amplifier on the back of the radio, and the 3-element cubicle quad. That's all I got there. Yeah, you got my name 100%. Luis. Lima Uniform India Sierra. Luis, that's the name there, my friend, does. So no problem. It's not too often to copy a 29 division. Now this afternoon is a very great and very good opening into Europe, and I have very good signal on you. Back to you.
CQDX, Yankee Bravo, number 1, the United States, standing by.
We got 40 feet there, and now there's 40 coming in quite good.
Go ahead, I got a copy on somebody, bring it back here. This is Yankee Bravo, number 1, and the personal here is Richard, my state, Ohio, in the USA, Roger.
Yeah, it's sounding good for
Frequency in use, Richard.
I keep that. It's going to be a very nice one to keep over. I am pleased.
Okay, Das, thank you very much for the info and for the comeback, my friend. It's kind of busy this frequency now.